Reached the state capitol today. Hundreds of protesters demanding action from Governor Lamont, accusing Connecticut of not doing enough to protect undocumented immigrants.
And your reporter Dylan Fearon is live at the Capitol tonight as protesters are pushing for new policies here. Dylan.
Aaron and Stephanie, that's right. The protesters today demanding that Governor Lamont call special session to add more protections, especially in courthouses. Now, the state actually did some of that a couple of weeks ago, but the protesters say it's not enough.
No hate, no fear. Immigrants are welcome here.
Marching from the federal building to the state capitol, hundreds strong are holding their signs and raising their voices.
To say that protecting immigrants is a matter of faith and justice, and we expect our governor to act this special session.
Corey Mackey helped organize the march and rally. She calls ICE's measures harsh, atrocious, and inhumane, pushing for Connecticut to step up and add protections for undocumented immigrants.
We have the ability here locally in Connecticut to actually make immigrants safer, and so we're tired of our governor putting that responsibility off and saying, well, it's the feds. No, there's stuff we can do right now.
There have been ICE raids around the state since President Trump was inaugurated. A senior at Maloney High School in Meriden was taken into ICE custody along with his father during a scheduled immigration hearing in Hartford. It sparked protests and raised concerns about ICE's measures, particularly in courthouses. There were also work raids at car washes in Newington and Southington, plus a massive four-day operation, ICE arresting 65 people in Connecticut, claiming it targeted gang members and transnational organized crime groups. The governor's office is responding tonight, writing, just a few weeks ago, the governor announced additional protections in our courthouses to prevent warrantless arrests and banning the use of masks. But these protesters are also demanding the state maintain Husky coverage for all, health insurance for low-income families,
and stronger laws to support people who are losing medical insurance, Medicaid and Medicare, because of cutbacks at the federal level. We have money in Connecticut. We can support those people.
Parents aren't bringing their kids to school. Folks aren't going to their legal immigration appointments because they're afraid of getting picked up at the courthouses.
Now, in his statement, Aaron and Stephanie, the governor did not mention whether or not he would call a special session to deal with some of these concerns. I'm your reporter live in Hartford tonight, Dylan Fearon, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.